Hi everyone, my name's Jasmine and my channel is called Jasmine Natural just because I love everything natural. If you're watching, guys, please like, comment or subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well. Have you ever just wanted to deep condition your hair so bad and then you've went to get your deep conditioning mask only to find you're out of deep conditioner? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY hair mask which will moisturize and define your curls. So the first product I'm going to be taking is organic shea butter. I'm just adding water to my pot and then I'm going to bring it to boil in the little bowl like so. And once it's completely melted, it should look like this. Now I'm just going to add in some grapeseed oil and coconut oil, which I mixed together. Now we're just going to take our empty container. As you can see, it has a little bit hair mask left in the bottom, so I'm just going to add the ingredients to that little bit left. And just mix it all around. I'm now going to take a conditioner. This is where you can take any conditioner, you can use your favorite conditioner. This is my one and it's the Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Shea Moisture Conditioner. I'm just going to add this and just mixing it all up again. I'm just adding in more conditioner. I'm just adding in more shea butter and more conditioner because I want to make quite a lot of this so it can spread evenly all over my hair, and I do have quite a lot of hair, so that's why. Now I'm just mixing it all up and that's basically our end product, and you want to make it a little bit thick so it doesn't run when it's all in your hair. And this is your end result, and it basically looks like vomit. What a lovely thought. Here I am with my old wash and go. It looks jacked up and nasty and my curls look dry and undefined. So the first thing I'm going to do is wet my hair. I've just wet my hair and then I just wrapped my microfiber towel on my head to soak up any excess moisture, otherwise the mask will just drip, and that is not good when you want to like go about your business with a hair mask on. So I'm just going to apply this to my hair, starting with one side first, and then I'm going to do the next side. My camera almost slipped. Oh my gosh. Now that I've evenly applied it all over my hair, I'm just going to take my hair and tie it up basically so that I can wear this to go about my business. Guys, if you wondered why my face looks different, because the hairband had a really bad taste. It had like conditioner on it, and let me tell you guys, that did not taste good, literally. So I slept with it like this overnight, and then the next day I just wore it like this up in a bun. And I'm going to show you that after I finished my day in the evening, I rinsed it out, and I'm just going to show you a quick clip of how my hair was, and don't mind all my silliness. And this is the end result. This is my hair straight after rinsing it out, and my hair doesn't have any product on it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.